Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the Nikon ZF with the Nikon z7II. Like, what are the main differences? So Nikon z7II got more megapixels, 46. Then also the Nikon ZF got better ISO range by a lot. Also, Nikon ZF got better screen, same electronic viewfinder. Continuous shooting speed is better for Nikon ZF. Then also high-speed video, that's something that you have. And weight is better for ZF2 and also dimensions. So when we're going to look here, the Nikon ZF is better in video recording limit. You can have unlimited, so that can be important to you. Pre-shooting buffer, image processor, max ICO, continuous shooting, the sensor pixel area, the selfie vlogger LCD, pixel shift high-res mode, minor focus sensitivity, vehicle tracking AF, inset tracking AF, and the Nikon Z7 is better in sensor resolution, number of focus points, battery life, weight, double LCD, and CF Express card support. So these are the differences. Have a great day and goodbye.